Good morning. I would like to formally introduce our group. I am Aviwe Khulumeni. The presentation will be followed by Alyssa, Kulu, and Dokuzo. We hope you enjoy our presentation.
South Africa is facing a wicked problem. A devastating mental health crisis fueled by rampant youth unemployment. Alarming rates of anxiety, depression, and hopelessness are trapping a generation and preventing them from reaching their full potential. We believe that the time spent waiting for a job should be a launchpad for growth. So, introducing Work the Wait, a venture built to confront this dual challenge. Our core purpose is to equip young South Africans with the tools to navigate both joblessness and mental health struggles. The Hub's operational approach is customer-centric, focused on key offerings like creative therapy workshops to reduce stress and boost confidence, and job readiness programs that develop crucial soft skills such as communication, teamwork, and adaptability. To ensure maximum impact, we are refining the Hub with powerful improvements. We are introducing a full offline mode to overcome data costs, a gamified growth path for increased motivation, and a career journey mapper for goal setting. So as you can see, the Hub is an empowerment engine. So join us as we transform the wait into a launch pad. Work the wait. Launch your future.
We've shared our vision for Work the Wait, and I will show you our blueprint. In a fast-changing world, we use design thinking and the lean business model canvas to stay flexible, youth-focused, and financially sustainable. Our customer segment is unemployed South African youth aged 15 to 34 who come from low-income communities. They face more than just job scarcity. They struggle with anxiety, hopelessness, and mental health issues. Our unique value proposition is the Bright Future Hub, a hybrid solution that combines physical community hubs and a data-free offline app. This approach is also our unfair advantage as it ensures inclusivity for youth without reliable internet. The app even includes gamified features like points and badges to keep users motivated and engaged. We reach our audience using multiple channels such as TikTok and Instagram to raise awareness, partnerships with local youth centers to connect directly with unemployed youth, and our offline app which delivers micro-courses and mentorship without needing constant internet access. Our revenue streams are both sustainable and diverse. We receive sponsorships from private companies such as Yes for Youth and Discovery Health, gain government and NGO grants, and host sponsored workshops. We carefully manage our cost structure, focusing spending on running physical hubs, maintaining the digital platform, and compensating our mentors and mental health professionals who drive our programs. To measure our success, we use key metrics such as the number of youth engaged, the jobs secured after participation, and mental health improvements.
Now that we've defined our values and cost, a business venture is no island. To be practical, scalable, and sustainable, Work the Wait must function as a dynamic business ecosystem. So what is a business ecosystem? You're probably asking yourself. A business ecosystem is a dynamic network of organizations such as suppliers, customers, and partners. These people interact through shared resources and innovation. It replaces isolation, competitive thinking with collaboration, which is the ultimate driver for innovation. Our ecosystem is built on a shared purpose, which is to reduce mental health that's related to the unemployment youth of South Africa. The primary actors are the unemployed youth themselves, mentors, specialized intervention suppliers, and investors who contribute expertise and funding. This network comes to life through our platforms and processes. Our platforms are both physical, like community halls and rental offices, as well as digital, including high visibility places like your TikTok, Instagram, as well as LinkedIn. Our processes involve structured activities like training sessions, the workshops, and collaborative mentorship programs. Usually we practice co-creation, integrating these lived experiences of the youth themselves into the development of all these programs. This then guarantees that our innovation is relevant, inclusive, and sustainable. By integrating this ecosystem design, Work the Way transforms to a dynamic, adaptive system built on cooperation and collective growth, ensuring resilience and preparing us for the strategic market model we've chosen. Now that we've got into the business ecosystem, we are going into how this resilience ecosystem dictates our strategic direction. We have a blue ocean business model, like the crowded red ocean, where business competes for a shrinking market share. A blue ocean creates a more new, uncontested market space through innovation. The South African landscape has organizations such as Yoharambe and the Yes for Youth, and many more, of course, but they primarily focus on employment placement, and they fail to address the underlying emotional and mental challenges that come with unemployment for the youth, of course. The way it differentiates itself by tackling both these internal, which is more of the psychological side, and external, related to employment. And it takes these dimensions and turns it into one, making it simultaneous. This unique positioning allows us to achieve value innovation. We create our own markets where competitors or competition are irrelevant, because no one else combines these elements into one coherent, scalable system. We redefine the problem by viewing it not just as an economic problem, but as a psychological and social issue. This value is co-created with unemployed youth who have actively shaped these programs. Our interconnected ecosystem reinforces as his collaboration drives innovation and innovation drives social impact. This shared value creation strengthens the blue ocean positioning. With 46.3% of the South African youth unemployed, shows how generic solutions are failing. So that's why Work the Way It fills this gap by creating new value that transcends those conventional solutions. We are not just competing, but we are creating a transformative and sustainable force in the youth development. So invest in our blue ocean strategy and pave the way for long-term growth and potential future ecosystem leadership.
I'll be presenting the stakeholder involvement in the design thinking process for Work the Wait. The success of Work the Wait depends on the active involvement of its stakeholders, which includes unemployed youth, mentors, partner organizations, suppliers, and investors. Their collaboration ensures the program remains relevant, inclusive, and sustainable, as design thinking relies on teamwork, empathy, and continuous learning to create real-world solutions. In the empathize stage, Work the Wait focuses on understanding the experiences of the unemployed youth through focus groups and discussions. These stories reveal an emotional link between unemployment and mental health. Mentors and partners observe this information and gather insights, showing that good design starts with empathy and seeing through the eyes of the users. In the defining stage, stakeholders turn insights into clear problem statements. Unemployment is redefined as not just a lack of jobs, but also a lack of skills, confidence, and emotional resilience. This shared understanding helps guide all stakeholders toward a common goal. The ideation stage is where creativity happens. The youth, mentors, and partners brainstorm ideas together. The youth share real experiences, the mentors give feedback, and the investors suggest sustainable models. All ideas are welcomed, encouraging innovation through collaboration. The prototype and test stage is where ideas are turned into small testable solutions like mobile learning tools or mentorship kits. The youth and mentors test them while partners and investors support and do the funding. Feedback is gathered to improve these prototypes, reflecting the fail early to succeed sooner principle. Beyond these stages, Work the Wait maintains collaboration through meetings and digital platforms to ensure accountability and continuous improvement. This keeps the project evolving and aligned with the stakeholders' needs. In conclusion, the involvement of the stakeholders at every stage ensures that Work the Wait remains people-centered and sustainable. By using design thinking, the venture combines empathy with innovation to empower South African youth and create lasting social impact.
We've established our blue ocean markets and built our resilient ecosystem. Now, let's look at the innovation that drives the personalized journey. Our integration of digital tools and artificial intelligence. The core of our skills development is machine learning. Our AI analyzes an individual skill assessment results and job market data to instantly recommend tailored courses and development activities. The hyper-personalization ensures relevance, boosting professional growth and confidence. To ensure deep, successful relationships, we use smart mentor-mentee matching AI algorithms. This system moves beyond basic qualifications, analyzing user data like personality traits, communication styles, and even mental health needs to create high-quality targeted pairings. This is crucial for customer retention and deep emotional support. We use digital tools for seamless program management. Self-service portals and AI knowledge bases centralize FAQs and enrollments, empowering youth to find answers independently and improving overall customer satisfaction. Automated scheduling handles real-time updates for workshops, therapy, and job opportunities via WhatsApp and in-app notifications. We also integrate proven tools like Senvelo that use AI to teach relaxation techniques to reduce anxiety and depression. All this technology ensures that every single customer receives a hyper-personalized, instantly accessible, and holistically supported journey. Work the Wait is not just a service. It's the AI-driven future of youth empowerment.
Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to our presentation.